Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're going to go over 2020 New Year's resolutions. If you guys are interested on how I got this crazy makeup look, go ahead and check out my Sugar Plum Fairy Christmas Makeup 2019. I thought it'd be fun to do these videos in the same day so I could wear this beautiful makeup for multiple videos. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you my New Year's resolutions, and you guys can share these resolutions. You guys could use some of these resolutions for yourself. I personally got a lot of these resolutions from Michelle B and Lavendair's collaboration that they did in 2018, I believe it was. And they did 50 New Year's resolutions, and I got a lot of ideas from them. So the first one is read 10 pages a day. So reading 10 pages a day is going to be helpful because you're not setting a goal of how many chapters that you want to read, and you don't feel forced. And you're not saying a number of books. Again, if you say you're going to read 50 books in 2020, that can seem a very daunting task, and you may get overwhelmed and you may fall off because you're like, I'm never going to achieve this goal. You're going to find some good habits that you want to do daily. My habits that I'm choosing to do daily, this could be different for everyone. My habits are meditate, journal, drink more tea, work out consistently, drink more water, and yoga. I did the Yoga with Adriene 30-day challenge, and I absolutely loved it, but I've fallen out of it since I've completed the challenge. I've fallen out of doing yoga every day. So that is something that I want to work on. Listening to audiobooks. I did have a 2-month free trial for Audible, and I got a couple of books which I haven't read yet or listened to yet, so I want to listen to those. Take control of my finances. If you guys are in debt or anything like that, or you're just a young kid and you want to make sure that you have money and you have a savings, and that could be a good goal for you guys, is just taking control of your finances, learning how to budget. I think that would be very good for 2020. Learn to invest. I would like to learn to invest the money that I do have so I can get more money back. Barefoot Investor is a book that she recommended, so if you guys are interested in investing, maybe check out that book. Invest in yourself. So this is investing in your business, investing in YouTube, buying a ring light, buying a beautiful camera that has very nice quality. So investing in yourself and your business, getting your hair dyed, making sure that your skin is clear, taking care of your skin, and just investing back into yourself. Do stream of conscious journaling. This is probably going to be the first form of journaling that I will be doing in 2020. Look it up, stream of conscious or morning pages. What it is you have a pen, you have paper, and you have your brain. All you are going to be doing is straight from your brain onto paper. You're not going to worry about sentence structure. You're not going to worry about punctuation. You are just going to write exactly what comes to mind. If what comes to mind is, I have no idea what I'm writing, this is weird, I've never written like this, write that down. And when you do that often enough, you and your brain, you're going to get connected, and you're just going to be able to write what comes to mind, and it's going to completely clear your mind. I've done it before, and it is really amazing. Go on adventures in your hometown. A lot of people are worried about going to different countries, going to different cities, when you could go on fun adventures in your own town. Volunteer in your community. I definitely want to go ahead and volunteer more in my community. That could be at a dog shelter, ASPCA, that could be at a soup kitchen. There's a lot of soup kitchens that are open more so during the holidays, and they are accepting more volunteers during the holidays. So if you guys are watching this and it is any type of holiday season, that's a good idea, but that could be in a year round. Dress up more often. This is for myself. I find that if I tend to dress really lazy and I'm wearing sweatpants and pajamas all day, I just don't feel as inspired. I don't really want to do as much as if I was wearing a just dressy clothes, a dress, a blazer, a pencil skirt, heels. If I was wearing that, I'd be like, I am a boss woman. I need to get stuff done. But if you were wearing sweatpants and a sweatshirt and no makeup, hair and a messy bun, you'd more so probably want to play video games, watch Netflix, chill on your phone, and do other stuff. So if you are dressed professional and you are dressed for success, you're going to want to work towards success. Whereas if you're dressed towards, being comfy and cozy, you're probably going to procrastinate more. So dress up more. That's one of my resolutions. Learn to dance or shuffle. I used to be a cheerleader and a gymnast and a tumbler, and I was very into dance and hip hop, and as I grew up, I got more clumsy and I just cannot dance. I have no rhythm, I am clumsy, I fall, I cannot dance. So, in the comfort of my own home, I'm going to learn how to dance and or shuffle. You guys will probably never see that, but that is a resolution of mine. Rise earlier and have a mindful morning. Now, waking up earlier and having a mindful morning, I think will be so amazing. I'm gonna get the book Miracle Morning. I'm not 100% sure who it's by, but I know almost every YouTuber has tried to follow this morning routine. It's journaling, it's praying, it's meditating, it's a very structured morning routine where it's supposed to help just your imagination and your creativity just flow. Learn a new skill. Not sure what this new skill is going to be, but that is a resolution of mine. Learn a new language. I've already started this. I'm going to be learning French for 2020, and I'm planning by the end of 2020 of being fluent in French. I know basics and some basic words right now, but I would like to be fluent by the end of the year. Take walks or hikes daily in nature. I think this is going to be lovely because I love being in nature and I do feel more creative as a person when I'm in nature more. A gratitude journal. This is going to be another part of the journaling that I'm going to be doing in 2020. Gratitude journals are just going to make you feel just grateful. The more you do it, the more positive and grateful that you are going to be. You are going to start to be grateful for the warmth in the air, or the flowers, or the dew on the grass, or how your fresh cup of coffee steams because how different the temperature is in the air, and it just looks so beautiful and cozy. You're going to learn to find gratitude in very small things. My bangs don't really know what they're doing right now. Make new friends. I would love to make more new friends, and I have a YouTube family, so I'm getting closer with all of them and creating bonds with them. But I would like to make some real-time friends as well. I have pretty much just one friend other than my boyfriend in real life that I am very close with, so I'd like to make more friends. Simplify your life. I'm going to be simplifying my life doing a 30-day challenge by Michelle B, and I will be starting that on January 1st, so I'm excited about that. Creating a morning ritual and an evening ritual, which my morning ritual will probably fall towards doing the Miracle Morning. Calling or texting one family member or friend every day. Now this is going to help you be closer to your family. It's going to bring you back to the present moment because you are having to remember to call or text that person. and plan your days out the night before. This is very important, and I notice when I stop doing this, I become very bleh. I'm not living in the moment. I'm procrastinating. I don't feel like doing things. I don't remember what I'm supposed to be doing, and I just don't get anything done the following day. So planning your days out the night before is very important. Alrighty, so that is going to be my list of 2020 New Year's resolutions. I hope you guys enjoyed, maybe gained some inspiration from my ideas, and you're more than welcome to use some of these ideas. And I think a cool thing would be leave your top 3 resolutions or goals for 2020. I would love to hear what your guys' resolutions are, and I've made it a very consistent goal of mine to respond to every single one of your guys' comments. So don't be afraid to comment down below, and I will comment back, and we can have a little conversation and bond down there. So tell me your top 3 goals or resolutions for 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. Alrighty, thank you so much, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We are starting a new year, 2020. I am very excited, and I feel like this year is just going to be a beautiful, fresh start, a fresh breath of air for all of us. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.